Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Secret. As you see right here, we have Luna. So what's happening with Luna is that we mitigated this area that I had marked up previously, and we went just straight back up. So yeah, that's cool. What could actually happen is we can just push the price even lower, but from the 1 hour time frame, I cannot just see it unmitigated um, area. To be honest with y'all guys, or like only this like little area right there. But yeah, right now like we have a new trading range on the lower time frame. Of course, is going to be from here to here. After we break through this high, gonna look to take the prices. Okay, after we break this, if we wait, that's why I say we need to wait for confirmations. Like we are gonna look for again to take the price high. I mean, we're not gonna take nothing, but for the people who maybe are gonna trade this game, for the, some people are basically trying to find the best to get in it and have the best position ever. It's all good. But yeah, I think that the price will continue to move to the downside because we have a lot of liquidity made up right here. This is a candle that hasn't been mitigated. So if this could get mitigated, we are right there. All this is just liquidity. You see, some people are gonna say this is a hash shoulders pattern, but like what I'm well, how I like to look things is that we have this first like kind of change of character right there, and we could look forward to take the prices low. Damn. All right. And from here again, we're gonna need to wait for some type of confirmation to take the prices again higher. So have a wonderful day. We're gonna see if this is gonna be correct. But again, like if we don't have a confirmation, but I'm not gonna look to do something like that because we have a liquidity up here and again a great POI. So yeah, have a great day. Join a community where I'm saying your free analysis. And that's about gonna be it for today, guys. Peace out.